This is the Chinese cooking channel called Chinese Cooking Channel. Today we're having orange sweet and sour pork chops. So the first step, you cut the pork chops into smaller pieces. Just go like that. Get it right in the middle. Right there like that. So that way there's a piece of bone, but the bone has not shattered. That's the main thing. Here we have 6 pork chops that I just cut it into smaller pieces. So each pork chop you cut it into 2 or 3 pieces. So we have roughly, I would say about 4 tablespoons of chopped ginger. So we have maybe 3 tablespoons of chopped garlic here. This is the green onions. Just chop the green onions into about 2-inch pieces. You put the green onions in at last, just before serving, so it gets some color. I preheat a wok at medium heat. I'm going to put about 3 tablespoons of cooking oil in there. Then you put next you put the garlic and the ginger in the wok. Give it a fast stir fry for about 20 seconds. And then I'm going to put some more oil in the pan. Maybe another 3 tablespoons of oil. So I'm going to put the pork chops in now. So you want to get a good sear on the pork chops. So we'll probably do this in 2 runs. So these pork chops, you don't have to cook it all the way through. As long as you get a good sear on both sides. So maybe a couple minutes on each side. Put some of the ginger and garlic in there. You put the pork chops in the slow cooker. So I'm going to put another 3 tablespoons of cooking oil in the wok. We're going to finish grilling the rest of the pork chops. Get a real good sear on the meat. Put the rest of the pork chops into the slow cooker, except for one. I'm going to have it for a snack.
Then you add 2 cups of water to the slow cooker.
Now is put about a teaspoon of sesame oil. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of oyster flavor sauce. Put 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. This dark soy sauce, you can put some in just for color. So I'm just going to put a dash of it, not very much, just a dash, like half a teaspoon. So it should be about half a teaspoon of grated orange. So the juice of about 1 small orange. So just squeeze it in there. So here I have 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. And then I'm going to put in 1 tablespoon of vinegar. So 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Just like that. So it'll be more sweeter than sour. I'm going to add these white onions. So I'm going to put it directly into the slow cooker. Now we're going to add 2 bay leaves, 3-star anise, and a teaspoon of five spice.
Then cook the pork chops at low heat for 4 to 6 hours. In the last half hour, mix 3 tablespoons of cornstarch in half a cup of water, and gradually add the cornstarch solution to thicken the sauce. Just before serving, add 1 stalk of chopped green onions for color. There you have it, a simple and easy recipe for orange sweet and sour pork chops. Enjoy.